Hey everyone, welcome back to my series of me solving LeetCode problems. And now we're looking at 112, best time to buy and sell stock, part 2. So I think I've done a submission, April 2020. And I don't want to look, because I want to do it from scratch right now. I just wanted to know how good I did. But I guess I'll find out once I submit this one. So you're given an integer array prices where prices of index is the price of a given stock on the index day. On each day you may decide to buy or sell the stock. You can only hold at most one share of stock at any time. However, you can buy it and then immediately sell it on the same day. Find and return the maximum profit you can achieve. So prices is 715364. Output 7 because I can buy on day 2. First day, second day, sell it on day 3, and on day 3 here, and I get 2, and then I can buy it next, and I can sell it on the next day, and that's it. So total profit is 4 plus 3, which is 7. Okay, cool. And in this case, it only goes down, so no profit. Yeah, seems like a useful thing to solve. Best time to buy, sell stocks too. If only we could look into the future like we're going to look on this code, on this problem. Solution.py. And now pass solution max profit, and what was the list? Okay, so total profit, we start with 0. So for index in range prices, so if you guys know, it's basically buy low, sell high. So current value equals prices of index, next value equals prices of index plus 1 if index plus 1 is smaller than the length of prices, else it is, I'll just say minus 1, because prices cannot go below 0, I believe. Let's look at the, prices go from 0 to 10 to the power 4. Okay. Else. Cool. So if current value is smaller than next value, let's buy. I think we can just go and say, we're gonna buy and sell the next day, always, even if we buy it again the next day. So we just do a profit of total profit plus equals next value minus current value. That's it. Return total profit. So, length of prices. Total profit is 7, which is what we wanted, right? 7. Okay, I'm feeling confident. Let's go. Let's submit. Okay, got accepted. Did well in memory, well, did not so good in runtime. Let's just submit again. Well, but I did a lot better than I did in 2020. I'm even curious to see what I did then. I don't want to look. I don't want to look. I evolved from then. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.